What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing a little something different, which I decided to buy a Curlbox since I can't get on the subscription, which keeps popping up and going real quick before I even get to it. But I have a non-subscription box, so we're gonna unpack this together. So I already know what it is, but I'm going to open it up so y'all can see what it is. Alright, so basically, you open it up. Of course, we got some bubble wrap. There's a little Curlbox card that basically asks you to show off your style on Instagram, whatever you do with the product. So unwrapping it, we got the card for the product, which is Black is Beautiful. My black is beautiful. This is the Golden Milk collection. So we're gonna go ahead and open that. It says, My Black is Beautiful, the Golden Milk collection, formulated with coconut milk, turmeric, honey, and ginger. This healing line cleanses hair without stripping your natural hair hydration. Unsure of how to hold on to the needed moisture during the week? Here are our tips, and then the card has tips on that side. But I'm going to go ahead to open it. Okay, we have this thingy. This right here. I believe this is one of those masks, I believe, that you just slip your whole head in. I think it's one of those type of masks. And it said My Black is Beautiful on it. But I believe that's what this is. If not, they didn't tell me. I don't see anywhere on the packaging what it is, so it's something. Okay, I'm gonna just leave the box down. And pick up products one at a time, because I can see myself dropping this box trying to do this. So first up is the My Black is Beautiful Hydrating Shampoo, the Golden Milk and Honey with honey and coconut, no sulfates, probates, and silicone. My stuff is a little scratched up because the packaging came a little crushed, but don't look like anything spilled out. But this is the shampoo, and all these products are full size, and I'm gonna put a price of what they are on Amazon. I paid $25 for this Curlbox, which I think is a very good price, because I looked on Amazon and I believe everything in this box was like $12.99 a piece. Next in the box is the Intensive Recovery Treatment. They smell awesome. They smell really good. It's like, it smells more coconut. It kind of smells a little like shea butter, but don't see that in here. But it smells really good. But that's this. It's like a cream, I guess. But we'll do, like I will do a review on these products when I take my braids down, so y'all will have a review then, and I might record me applying them to my hair, but we'll see when that time comes. Next is the fortifying conditioner. This is what it looks like. It said eye hydrating conditioner moisturizes, softens, and detangles, leaving hair healthy and strong. The rich restoration formula, restorative formula, has infused and sealed hair and seals hair with moisture and improves elasticity. What did this one say? The treatment mask says, our deep penetrating mask instantly soothe. Can't read today, y'all. Can't read today. Our deep penetrating mask instantly smooths, replenishes, and repairs hair to improve manageability and shine. Shampoo says, our lightweight cleanser is specially designed to clean hair without stripping natural oils. The creamy formula increases moisture retention and restores hair strength to help prevent breakage. The next product is the Tangle Slayer. The Tangle Slayer says, our most intensive conditioning cream that locks in moisture and straightens the hair for maximum detangling and curl softening. Designed for thick, curly, type 4 hair, this deep, nourishing formula elongates curls while repairing damage for soft, easy managed, smooth hair. Yeah, this is for Tangle Slayer conditioning cream type 4 curly hair. So I guess this one would be a good one for my hair, since in the type 4. There's that one. And then lastly in this box we have the Edge Slayer. It said, our Edge Slayer lays your edges, providing an all-day flexible hold for next day restyling. This residue and flake-free formula keeps your edges from reverting for a smooth look that slays. And that's this. It's shiny at the top. That's the Edge Slayer. And that's pretty much all that was in this box. So that's the products. It's got 5 of them. The box don't want to stay open, y'all. There we go. Got 5 of them for $25, which I think was a good buy, because before I bought it, I went and looked online to see the prices, so I made sure it was a good buy, which it is. So next time when like I said, when I take these braids down, we will do I will tell y'all my opinions on these products. Alright, y'all, until next time, please like, comment, subscribe, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye. Hey, hey, hey. Anyways, y'all, bye.